Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, comment down below what you thought and subscribe to my channel if you're new. This is going to be a spring makeup / hair look and I really enjoyed making this. I really hope you enjoyed watching and I will see you in a minute. Bye! So I'm first starting off by using my Rose Mist face toner and this just freshens my face all ready for my makeup. I'm now moving on to my Nivea face moisturiser. I'm now applying my Carmex lip balm and then I'm brushing out my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be filling them in with my Maybelline brow gel. I'm then going to be using my concealer to shape my eyebrows. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm now blending the concealer in with my beauty blender to make sure that everything blends in nicely with the rest of my face. I'm now using my concealer to cover any blemishes and dark circles. I'm now using my foundation and this has SPF 20 in it, which is really good if you're spending time outside when it's really sunny. I'm now setting my foundation. I'm now applying my favourite blusher to both my cheeks and my cheekbones. I'm now going to be applying this colour and packing it into both my eyelids. I'm now blending that out. I'm now taking a darker yellow and putting that into my crease and the corners of my eyes. The next step is to curl my eyelashes and I'm going to be prepping them ready for my mascara. Once I finish that, I'm now going to go in with a pink eyeshadow into both the corners of my eyes. I'm then applying my highlighter, which is my favourite part of my makeup. I'm now setting everything into place. I went ahead and dried my hair off camera and I'm now going to be straightening my fringe. And this was the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!